I joined Trade Mastermind in November 2018. I actually just started listening to some podcasts, a bit unhappy with how things were going at work. And then I heard someone who was doing really well in here, and then just booking a discovery day in, and obviously just learned loads just from that one day. Challenges I was facing is I used to work for property developers and builders. Cash flow was always an issue because they would always not pay the money we wanted to. Builders were always owing me money, so I was owed £100,000 at one point. So it was just constantly chasing money, lying to my wife, couldn't afford to pay ourselves. Yeah, since joining Trade Mastermind, it's just taken a complete U-turn. I didn't really know my challenges. I never looked at my numbers, never knew marketing, anything like that. So building all my personal brand and company brand and everything like that, I didn't realise how much of a difference that would make. We've now gone onto a scalable system, which is the renewables, and it's just helped with everything, helped with the cash flow, helped with personal life. Yeah, so now we can just predict our future and got constant work coming in, so life is just so much more better. So one of my biggest lessons I've found is personal development and a bit of self-belief as well, and knowing my numbers as well, knowing what I should be pricing my jobs at. In 12 months' time, I reckon our business should hopefully we'll have an office base, hopefully be up to £3 million a year, 6 guys on the books, a couple of people in the office and some sales guys.